Hello, I'm Sarah, the creator of the Riot Bag. Thank you for supporting my design. Here is a video to show you how to start using your Riot Bag. It looks like a backpack, but it has no zips on this side. It's completely closed to the outside world when you have it on your back. And that means that you can actually focus on whatever it is that you are doing that day. Whether you're excited because you're traveling around in an amazing place, or you have an important meeting to go to, or you're dreaming up your next book, you should be focusing on what's in front of you and not what is behind you. You've got your awesomely waterproof and scuff-proof base, which will protect all of your belongings. Water bottle holders on the side. Perhaps you ride a bike, you can add your bike clip here. Welcome to the back of your Riot Bag. This is where all the action happens. The first thing we've got here is a chest strap. These ones move up and down on their piping, on these little gliders. You can add it back on again. If you don't use a chest strap, then you can fully remove it. Whenever you found the correct position for your chest strap or your shoulder straps, when you've got a little bit of material left, you can use this elastic simply to cover it again. So you just pull it back on itself and then it sits around all the remaining material. It helps you to keep smart and not get caught on things. For people who have shoulder pain, back pain, but still have to carry a lot, or perhaps for cyclists and joggers who actually will be using their Riot Bag as they're going around. On all Riot Bags, there is the infrastructure to be able to add a waist strap. Clip the extra waist strap into place, but this one has to be bought separately. Top pocket, I've filled the entire bag with balls. This is how I measure the capacity of a Riot Bag. You can keep your phone, your wallet up here. When you're actually traveling and you're using the Riot Bag, this is your quick access D pocket. If you're going through airport security and you need to show your passport, rather than just sticking it in a pocket at the end, you can put it straight back into your D pocket and zip it up. You've got your hands free again to do everything. Your passport is already in a secure place and you're on to the next thing. This bag is designed for the flow of someone who is making their way through airports, train stations, in transit a lot. I've made one extra layer. Let's say I'm going away for the week. I need my passport to get through the airport, but once I'm actually there, I don't need my passport anymore, but I want to know it's safe. So what I'm going to do is actually put it behind this piece of mesh here. It means that when I'm interacting with my bag, I can see it's there. This is my safe place for my passport. So that's the D pocket. This is a great place for your phone, your keys if you're about to go back into your home, and your passport. If you find yourself overfilling this, start using the top pocket a little bit more, because you need to, you want to keep this nice and flat so you're comfortable against your back. This is a very grabbable handle. You can grab it out of the overhead locker. Other features on the back are the trolley suitcase strap. Here we go into the main part of the Riot Bag. So I've got this, as I said, that's how I measure capacity in my bags. You can see there's actually a mesh covering them up. So let's say you are in an airport and you need to get into one part of your Riot Bag, perhaps get something that's right down at the bottom of your bag. You can use this mesh to, without revealing everything that's inside your bag, you can, reach in, get something, you can see what's going on, but it's still basically private and covered up. If you want to, you can open the entire mesh up so that you can unpack everything once you get to your destination. Here's what the Riot Bag actually looks like inside. One large space on the inside, it's bright yellow. These are the inside of your bottle holders. And if you're not using them, they press totally to the side so that you can use the total 20-litre capacity. You've also got a small pocket here in case you want to have some completely secure stuff. This is your double laptop compartment. This zips shut. Let's say you're at airport security. You can open out your whole bag like this, slide out your laptop, put that in the tray. This laptop compartment is designed so that you can keep slim laptops in the back here, but you can still put a laptop that is actually a little bit deeper in here. So this fits a 15-inch laptop, and of course all smaller laptops as well. You can also keep A4 documents straight in here. I actually made this section in between so that you can keep a laptop here and a tablet here, for example, or even 2 laptops. Even if you've never tried washing a backpack before, I really recommend doing it. Maybe once a year or once every couple of years, and it comes out looking like new. The Riot Bag has got waterproofing materials in it that would be broken down if you were to use detergents. So genuinely what I recommend is grab your trainers, stick your Riot Bag in the washing machine on a normal 40-degree wash, grab any other backpacks you've got in the house and let them dry naturally for 24 hours. So the Riot Bag, best way to dry it is just to open it up completely and it should dry just fine.